Hi, I'm Navaiz Chaudhry, your 4 Pillars debt consultant in Surrey and Vancouver. Every day I help people just like you get out of debt and put an end to all the stress. I do it by restructuring your debt so you only pay back a portion of what you owe. I also help you with budgeting and credit rebuilding so you can quickly get your life back on track. I get asked a lot about debt restructuring and how it works. Debt restructuring means making a formal proposal to your creditors to pay back a small percentage of what you owe, typically 20 cents on the dollar. Creditors realize that the only other alternative for you would be to file bankruptcy, in which case they would get less. Once your proposal is accepted, you make monthly payments according to your budget and ability to pay. Within a few years, often less, you are debt-free and can start to plan for your future again, without the cloud of debt hanging over your head. No doubt you have questions of your own, so let's talk and you can tell me what's going on. The consultation is free and I'll help you deal with your debt and move beyond it.